Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today to do a how to make a pair of wooden earrings from this here beads, okay? These are the beads that I did a video on yesterday showing you all that was just coming soon. And I got these beads from Walmart, okay? Walmart does sell these wood beads, okay? So this is what I'm going to be using, all right? So here are the other items that you will need. You're going to need some wire cutters, some flat nose pliers, some round nose pliers, some 12 gauge aluminum wire, 8.5 inches long. You're going to need a coil, 2 coil shells, 2 fish hooks, and 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire, 6 inches long. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. All right? So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have to go in and put some holes in some of these beads, but not put holes in them, but some of the beads, the holes aren't big enough, okay? So we're going to use one of these little ones first. The thing that I do like about this bead stash right here is that these beads, the holes are big enough to fit on the 12 gauge wire. Even the acrylic beads holes are big enough. That's the first time that I've ever known for acrylic beads. See how easy that was? You slide that on. That's the next one. And then your next one is going to be these wooden beads right here. I see these wooden beads in pretty much every one of their bead stashes that they have. Okay, you want to add this one on. The next one you want to add on is another brown one. One of these little ones. One of these. Add that on. And then you want to add on another. Actually, you want to add on one of these to look like a bicon cut. It's look like a diamond. You want to add one of these on. And all of these beads come in this stash. Okay, as you can see, they're all in this stash. I'm not pulling from anywhere else. I'm just using everything that's in here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add on one more of these little brown beads right here. Slide that on. Okay, so you should have 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place this down on the table, and I'm going to pinch both of these sides up. Okay, so I'm going to pinch this side up right here, and then I'm going to pinch this side up right here. Okay, so both sides, and this is what you should have. Now we're gonna go ahead and get right back into this, adding on our beads again. So we're gonna add on both sides. We're gonna add one of these, and sometimes I have to take. Actually, when I do that, I wind up popping them. Okay, so we're gonna add this one on. So that one's going on. And I'm going to put one on this side and one on this side. Sometimes it's good to work from both sides. It kind of makes it faster. So one on this side and one on this side. Okay. The next bead that we're going to add is one of these round ones right here. These 2 round ones right here. We're going to put one on one side and one on the other side. On this side, okay? The next 2 beads we're going to be adding is we're going to go and add these wood beads right here. These, we're going to put one on one side and one on the other side. Okay, just like that. The next bead we're going to be adding is another one of these, two of those brown ones, these little ones right here. And like I said, you may have to go in and open up the holes. So we're going to put one on this side, push it down. Okay, and then we're going to add one on the other side. And some of the holes are not completely open. Okay, so we're going to add one on this side. Okay, slide that down, and this is what you're going to have. Now, last but not least, we're going to add two of these, one on one side and one on the other side. So one over here, and then I'm going to put one over here. And this is what you are going to have. This is what your earring is going to look like, okay? Now we're going to take these two pieces and pull them together, just like this. All right, you get your triangle going on right there. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the piece that's over the top piece of wire, and we're going to wrap it around the piece that's in the back. So we're just going to do this, just like that. And then I'm going to wrap it twice. So that's one, and that's two. Okay. All right. So that's what you're going to have. Now we're going to cut this little extra piece that's right there off. Snip that off. We're going to take our flat nose pliers and squeeze that in just like that. Last but not least, this selection of beads, these are some beautiful wood beads right here. These are beautiful. We're going to take a look, remind me of a sunset. Slide that on just like that. And then we're going to take, I'm going to push this piece over to the side a little bit. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and squeeze it to give it some indentation to make the wire stiff. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my round nose pliers and make a loop. Bring that over like this. And you want to try to tuck it down inside your bead. Just like that, okay? So it won't be moving around and going anywhere. And then I like to take and just make this flat. And that is done, okay? The earring is done. Now you can make this type of earring using any kind of beads, but this is the design that I got from these, okay? The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add on our core shell. So we're going to take our 20 gauge wire, and I'm just going to pinch it just like this. All right, I'm going to slide this right on to my loop at the top. I'm going to pull it just like this. All right. Now I am going to take my round nose pliers and hold that over top just like that, and I'm going to twist this twice. So that's one and that's two, okay? Now once you twist it, you want your wire to be to the side. Your earring is going to be facing this way, but your wire is going to be to the side. Now you're going to add on your coral shell. Slide that right down in there. Make sure when you put your coral shell down in here that you push the wire up in there as far as you can get it, holding it as tight as you can. Okay? You want that wire to be down in there so that that wire can hold the coral shell in place. All right? So the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to take the wire in the back and we're going to bring it to the front. and start wrapping it around the piece of wire that's in the front. So we're going to just wrap this around just like this. And I'm only going to do this twice. That's one time, and this is twice. All right. And then I'm going to snip off this little piece right here. Just like that. Okay. And I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and just go in to make sure that nothing is sticking, okay? Now, last but not least, I'm going to pinch that over to the side a little bit, and I'm going to make my loop. Make my loop. Make sure when you make your loop that your loop is facing this way, okay? And then I'm going to take and push this up and wrap it around. You can wrap it as many times as you would like, okay? And then I'm going to take and snip off this little extra piece right here. And then take my flat nose pliers and squeeze that in. And then all we have left to do, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, is add on our fish hook, which is this here. And we're going to open it just like that. And you want to slide this with your fish hook facing that way, okay? So slide that on because you want your shell part to be showing, this part here. And then we're going to take our flat nose pliers and squeeze that. And you have yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. Now, what you can do, ladies and gentlemen, you can make this you can make a set using this. You can make a set. Okay, you can make a whole set. You can make the earrings, the necklace, and the bracelet. And I mean, you can make the earrings and the necklace. You can make a bracelet out of it, but it wouldn't be hard, okay? And you can use one of these. You can make one of these really big for your pendant, okay? And then, you know, you can make these the normal size for your earrings. You can do, but anyway, y'all. So I want to thank those of you who have taken the time out to watch this here video. A lot of times, y'all, I noticed that with a lot of the beads and stuff that they do have at Walmart, these wood beads, you can make some really cute earrings with that stash, okay? Really cute earrings. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, happy crafting, peace, and blessings. And if you are new, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And if you are new, please subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the all bell button so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.